Hey, welcome back guys, and today we have an exciting box from Action Clutch. They are one of our new partners with the team, and I'm super excited to get one of these Action Clutches in the car and see how it performs. I've heard great things from Action Clutch. Let's go ahead and see what all they sent inside of the box. So, sent off some shirts. So I got some Action Clutch apparel. There. And it looks like we have the actual clutch itself. So this is a stage 3 clutch and should be plenty capable of dealing with my J series. It's a J32. All right, so we got everything opened up, and I'm going to start off. So here are your braking instructions and warranty. Super important to make sure you follow those directions. Out some swag, so we got lanyards, stickers, of course the apparel. So here we're we'll start with the bearing. So this is a Japanese made release bearing, a clutch alignment tool, a pilot bearing. We have the springs pressure plate. Super pretty. The thing looks so good. And then of course we have the 6-puck. And from what I hear with Action Clutch, so typically you actually have some aggressive nature when you're switching to a 6-puck style. And I hear that Action Clutch has actually done a really good job with making it feel as natural as possible. Of course, it's still going to be somewhat aggressive, but it's not difficult to actually put it into gear, and you're not going to be spinning your tires every time you're switching a gear or anything, as I've heard with some others. But yeah, feel free to feel free to comment below any questions, and also please subscribe and help support the channel. Thank you all very much.